Girl, do you see these? Hey guys, it's Teresa Shea from FlyFierceFab, and in today's video I'm bringing you something a little bit different. So it's not quite a try-on haul like my last video on my Zara spring try-on haul where I showed you guys a bunch of new stuff I got from Zara for spring. Today's video is going to be a shop my closet video. I just wanted to try and have some fun, put together some different outfits, and I thought it might be fun to make this video for you guys. Now, as we know, right now the coronavirus pandemic is happening and it's affecting us worldwide. So right now we're really trying to do our best to practice social distancing, just to try and help slow down the rapid spread of the virus, try and help keep people healthy, especially those that are most vulnerable. So a lot of places are closed. You can't really go out anywhere except to Instagram, which is where these outfits will be going for right now. And when things get better, of course, I will be able to go out and wear these outfits. So first up, this is new from Zara. Girl, I didn't even make it to my Zara haul video because it showed up on the website after the fact. I got this cream or like off-white colored sleeveless blazer dress from Zara. I'm 5'9" for reference, and in terms of length, this dress is a little bit shorter than fingertip length on me. This is what the front looks like. I still have on my sweat shorts from earlier. I did not feel like taking them off. So if you see anything a little lumpy, that would be the shorts. I added this headband from H&M and it was $7.99. I like how it's simple, but it's still like a nice interesting detail. And again, the metallic gold of the headband is playing off my metallic gold buttons. Now, for other accessory options, if I did not do this headband, I would do like a gold hoop. I would not do the hoops in this headband though. I feel like for me, that's just a bit much. And I love to be extra, but you gotta know when to pull it back just a little bit. And if I wanted to add another accessory, I would maybe add this rhinestone bracelet that I got from TJ Maxx. This was like $16.99 for this bracelet. But for my purse, and I love this purse, I got it at H&M. I love anything that is gold and metallic, so I instantly had to have this. But then I also love like the crocodile print texture that it has going on. It just makes it look even more like bougie and expensive. In an ideal world, I would also have gold metallic like strappy evening sandals to wear with all of this. However, I currently do not. I'm on the hunt. If you see some cute ones, let me know in the comments. Okay, so this dress is also from Zara. I got it there last summer and I didn't get a chance to wear it before the weather turned, which is why the tag is still on it. But I really do like this dress. I believe I got it in a size large. This is what the back of the dress looks like. A little side profile. So here's my concept for this outfit. Honestly, this is something that I could wear like out to the movies or like out to dinner, out to lunch. This is my vision. This denim jacket, also from Zara. Actually, this is new because I got this after my Zara spring haul, so like you guys haven't seen this yet. What I like most about this jacket are the cuff sleeves. They're super fun. You can roll it down if you want to, but honestly I feel like it just looks really cute like this, so I plan to leave it that way. I got these really fire shoes from Simi London. This was my first time ordering from them. I got a couple pairs of shoes. Y'all, I'm finna be wearing these shoes every chance I get. Let me unveil them for you. Girl, do you see these? These shoes are fire. They're called the Bethany Nude Lace Up Patent Platform Pump, something like that, child. It'll all be down in the description box, but I really love these. I love that they're a nude color that's closer to my skin tone. Honestly, I could do just about any bag with this outfit because everything is neutral, right? Nude heel, nude dress, denim jacket, all neutrals. Personally, when I wear it, I'll probably wind up wearing this stone bag unless I find something else fun in my closet. But mainly what I'm most excited about is honestly wearing this dress and the jacket and these heels all together. This is going to be a really cute look. Like, I could wear this to dinner. You know when like you're going to dinner and you need to be like dressy casual. So not like too casual but not super dressy. You want to strike that balance in between. This would be my dressy casual look. And at this point in the video, you're probably thinking I really only just shop at Zara. To which I say, and what about it? So the top is basically like a one shoulder deal. This is made out of a thinner material, so this will be fine like through the spring because it's not heavy at all. I got it in a size medium. It is a stretchy material, but there's not a lot of give here simply because they really wanted this to fit well through the waist, it appears. So like there's some ruching going on here just to help sort of snatch everything together. I don't think that this top would still be available at Zara. Definitely not in the store. You might be able to find it online, but I feel like more than likely it's probably like a sale item by now. But if I can find it, I'll put it in the description box below for you guys. I really like the skirt though. I feel like it's fun. It's a pink pleather skirt and it has the pleating detail down the bottom. Let me turn so you guys can see the back. And then it has like the gold buckle detail in the front as well. I know this skirt also came in black. I have seen it on Instagram in like a sage green color as well, but I'm not sure if that one is from Zara or if that's from another store. For accessories, again, honestly, this bag goes with everything, so I tend to honestly really wear it with everything. I could do a gold metallic evening sandal just to sort of play off again the gold detail and the buckle, but honestly I feel like I might just do a nude heel. I have these nude heels. I picked up one to show you guys. This is by a store called House 3028. Want to make sure I get that right. House 3028. They specialize in custom making heels for women of color in different shades. I don't remember off the top of my head what shade this is. I will put that down below in the description box. Miss Lola started selling heels like in more variations of nudes. I'm pretty sure they have one that is about this color as well, so if I see that I'll put it in the description box below. Okay, so this white oversized collared shirt with like the puffy sleeves, I showed this to you guys in my previous video, which was my Zara haul. I did say that I plan to do it with black shorts. The black shorts I have on, I'm gonna opt for something a little bit longer. So I do have some on right now, but I don't plan to wear it with this because now that I'm seeing it all together, I'm like, ooh, we need a different black short. But anyways, so my plan for this, and we'll see how this works. I got this headband also from H&M. H&M's been lit with the headbands recently. Does have a tendency, like if it falls forward, your hairs will get like caught in the rhinestones and it will snatch a strand or two. So I am a wig wearer and I was not happy to see the strands that I paid for caught up in the headband. For shoes, I'm thinking something like this. I have these black rhinestone evening sandals that I got from Miss Lola a couple years ago. I've worn them a bunch of times. Basically they have like the straps down here at the foot, and then the rhinestone strap at the top like wraps around your ankle and you can tie it in a cute little bow. I feel like this would be cute all together, especially because the black and rhinestone of the shoe plays off the headband very well. Okay, so for a change of pace, let's slide over to Pretty Little Thing. This corset top is from Pretty Little Thing, and when you get their clothes, it comes with like this strap on the clothing, and like once you cut it off, you can't return it. I haven't worn it yet, so that is why the strap is still on it. And it has like the China pattern, so like that pattern you see like on a lot of fine like dining wear, like the plates and stuff like that. It has the China pattern on it in lilac. So I thought that that was different, and then I really liked the sleeves. They like puff a little bit up near the shoulder. It is off the shoulder top, and then it has like the slit down near your hand. This is what, ooh, a little restricted with the movement there. This is what the back looks like. There is like actual boning in this corset, so like it helps it keep its structure and shape, and that's what I really like about it. And then to close it, you basically pull the metal fasteners over the studs here, for lack of a better way to put it. Now this skirt is actually from Fashion Nova, and it is a set. It's a long slinky material skirt. Basically this goes down to my ankles, and I'm 5'9", so that's a ways to go. But the set came with this matching lilac tube top, which is a cute concept. You know, she's cute, but I like this better. Okay, so we have another Pretty Little Thing corset top. This one is also in a size 6. I went off of my waist size to help me determine what size I needed in the tops. I am a 29-inch waist usually, so that is how I decided upon the size 6. And I did lose some weight like I had said before, but this top has boning just in the front, so it is helping it to still like fit pretty well. This one has a double zipper, so you can decide if I can get it to work. Oh, wait, there we go. It has a double zipper, so you can decide how you want to wear it. I think I would be comfortable with it like this. Let me show you the back. And again, the Pretty Little Thing strap, once you cut it off, you can't return it. Leather jacket. Oh, yes, girl. For accessories, I would probably do these gold hoops. Bag, I would keep it super simple. I would do a black clutch, and then I could also do black shoes. I have like black ponytail heels as well. If I wanted to play off of the nude and neutral tones of the top, I could do my nude heels, but I feel like I would most likely do this as I throw the shoe. I would do this all together with a black heel and a little black clutch. and this would be a cute outfit to go out in at night. Okay, so my last outfit idea is a little more cool and casual. It features this shirt dress that I got from H&M from their Justine Skye collection. This is the back. Now what I plan to do is this hooded pleather jacket from Zara. It was $25 on sale. I did show you guys this in my Zara haul video. I like this together because it's like a neutral color and it's playing off of the neutral tones in the photograph. For a bag, again, the bag I wear with everything, but for my shoes, this is where it gets a little bit more fun. I would like to do these thigh-high boots that I got from Miss Lola. Now, normally I wouldn't still do like a thigh-high boot in the spring, simply because for me, especially because this is like a suede boot, for me personally this feels a little bit more fall. But hear me out. You do what you want when you pop in. So that is basically it for this video, guys. I basically just wanted to show you some outfit ideas I've had bouncing around in my head. I hope you enjoyed this shop my closet outfit idea video. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Links to everything, if it's still available, will be down in the description box as well. You can catch me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm FlyFierceFab on all those platforms. TikTok too. Thanks for watching. Stay snatched. Please stay safe and I will see you next time.